Hi, in this video, I'm going to take you through a feature of Google Slides that will get all your teachers excited for your next class. I will show you how to add videos on your Google Slides and how to use it during your online class. So first, let's begin with creating a blank slide. Here, I would like to insert a video. Now, there are three ways in which you can add a video. One is by simply searching your topic on YouTube and it will give you a list of different videos. Second is if you have a YouTube video link already, you can simply paste that over here. And third is by uploading something from the Google Drive. So I'm just going to go by the search option. I'm going to choose this third video. So it's creating my video right now. I'm going to drag my video to the center. I'm going to increase my size. Increase the size of the video for better viewing. Now I'll show you an interesting feature when we are presenting this video. When I'm presenting the video, I can play the YouTube video. I can go over directly to the part where I want to play. I can mute
Increasing order of distance from the sun
or unmute the video. As the video goes on, a teacher can describe the different features or descriptions of each planet. And once they are done, simply pause the video or they can go over to the next slide. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please write to us if you have any questions.